Okay, this is how you're going to get to your stimulus information and your child care tax information for your taxes. So you're going to go to Google, you're going to type in irs.gov, and then it should be the first suggestion that pops up, which says Internal Revenue Service. Click that. It's going to take you to a screen with a little man, woman in the corner right here, and it's the second option. The second option says sign into your account right here. I'm sorry for my phone, but you're going to click that, and it's going to take you into another page that says sign into your online account. The little blue button. You're going to push that. Now that you're signed into your online account, it says ID.me, create an account, or sign in with ID.me, or sign in with the existing IRS username. I have I.me or ID.me. So I would sign in with my ID.me, which if you got unemployment, you probably could have verified yourself like that, which is how I did. So if you have sign in with ID.me, you're going to put in your email that you put in and your password. And then, if you have the ID.me, it'll ask you to send a text to, which is asking me, do I want to send a text to this number? I'm going to push that, and it's going to text me a code. And, just put the code in. I'm sorry for my phone, y'all. Put the code into the little box, and that is going to take you back to the IRS website. If you do not have an ID.me, you're going to have to create one, which you only need you need 2 proofs of ID, which I use my ID and I use my Medicaid card for my 2 things. But I believe you could do like your passport, your ID, maybe, I'm not sure what else. Maybe a debit card, I want to say. But I didn't have one at the time, so I'm not sure if you can use that. But if you don't have an account, once you get those 2 forms of ID, you create your account, and a person within like 30 minutes, a person will call you, which would be a video chat, and they just want to see your ID. Once they see your ID, they will make it to where you can sign in on ID.me, which will get you back to being able to open an account on the IRS website. If you have your IRS username information, you can do that. But I don't have that. I've created mine with my ID.me. So, you're going to have to create an account. And then once you create the account, you're going to go to, once you're signed in, you're going to be on a page that says, welcome my name, Paris Taylor, welcome me. And then you're going to scroll down just a little bit. Y'all, my phone. You see records right here? My phone might be too bright. You're going to sign on. Yep. You're going to sign to records right here. You're going to push this right here, which says view tax records. So I'm going to view my tax records, and then it gives me my adjusted gross income and all that stuff. You're going to scroll down until you see economic impact payment information, which is right here, economic impact information. And it has year 2020 and 2021. So if you need your stuff, you're just going to click that, whichever one you need. I guess you screenshot the first one. And then if you got any stimuluses in 2022, you screenshot that one again. And that's how you get your stimulus information. Now the child tax information is on there as well. So if you go back up to where it says child tax information, it has your amount and everything on that too. I'm so sorry for my phone. I'm trying to get you the gist of it. So on this page that I just told you, you click on, you scroll down on the first page. Once you're signed in, you scroll down to records. After you get to records, you're going to see view tax information for. You're going to click view tax information for. After that, it says return summary, which is, I believe, your stuff from last year. So you're just going to keep scrolling down. Then it has your child tax information, which will tell you how much you had and how many kids you did. Then you keep going, and it has your 3 stimuluses amount on both of those. And then screenshot those, and that's how you get it.